Dear students, today we are starting a new chapter, lesson 7, A King's Tale. Tale means story. King Arthur was a king of the Britons. Britons means Englishmen because another name of England is Britain, Britain, and the people of Britain are called Britons. King Arthur was a king of the Britons, that means King Arthur was a king of England several hundreds of years ago. That means many hundreds of years ago, 700, 800, 900 years ago, he was the king of England. He was a very popular and brave king. Popular means liked by many. Jonopriyo. He was brave and popular. There are many legends about him. Legends, stories that have been circulating for long. বহুকাল ধরে যে গল্প প্রচলিত থাকে তাকে বলে legend. There are many legends about him. Stories have been circulating about him for many years. The following tale is an adaptation. Adaptation means taken in a shortened form, সংক্ষিপ্ত আকারে নেওয়া, from the ancient Arthurian legends. Ancient means old. From the old Arthurian stories, this story has been taken. Let us read the story. Many hundreds of years ago, England was ruled by a king called Arthur Pendragon. What was the name of the king? The name of the king was Arthur Pendragon. He ruled in England. The king, who was the friend and protector to his all people, was fair to everyone. Friend you know, but protector. Protector means one who protects, one who saves, savior, Rakshakarta. He was the savior and friend of all the people of England. He was fair to everyone. That means he gave justice to everyone. তিনি সকলকে ন্যায় বিচার দিতেন. He was just to everyone. The people of Britain lived in peace and happiness. The people of Britain were very happy. They led a peaceful existence. The king was good and kind. He protected them. And how did the people of England live? Tending their flocks and tilling their fields. To till means to produce crops by plowing the field. চাষ করা, that is called till. They plowed their fields. They tended their flocks. Flock is a collective noun. Here flock means flocks of sheep. Bhedar pal. To tend means to look after. They looked after their flocks of sheep. They plowed their land. They produced crops. They led a very happy and peaceful life under King Arthur Pendragon. King Arthur Pendragon had married the beautiful lady Igraine and had a son. The name of King Arthur Pendragon's wife was Lady Igraine, and they had a son. That means King Arthur Pendragon and Lady Igraine had a son. This child was the heir to the royal throne. The pronunciation is not heir but heir. H is silent. What is meant by the term heir? Heir means inheritor, one who inherits, one who gets something from the forefathers. যে উত্তরাধিকার সূত্রে পায়, উত্তরাধিকারী. So this child, the son of King Arthur Pendragon and Lady Igraine, was the inheritor to the throne. The word throne means the seat where the king sits, Singhasan. Royal throne. The word royal is the adjective of the word king. That means King Arthur Pendragon's son was to become the king after the death of Arthur Pendragon. The king and the queen died soon after the baby was born. Unfortunately, both the king and the queen died prematurely. সময়ের আগেই তারা মারা গেলেন. A few years after the birth of the baby, both the king and the queen died. That means the child became an orphan because both his parents had died. It was a difficult time. Many of the king's opponents were looking to seize the throne. Opponents, that means enemies, those who are fighting against someone. The king had many enemies. The enemies of the king were looking to seize the throne. To seize means to occupy, দখল করা. They were trying to occupy the throne. They were trying to become kings. King Arthur Pendragon had two wise counselors. Counselor means one who gives advice. যিনি উপদেশ দেন. Who were the wise counselors? Merlin, the prophet, and a magician. A prophet means a person who can say about the future. যিনি ভবিষ্যৎ দেখতে পান. Merlin was a prophet and a magician, and the brave knight Sir Ulfius. Knight means a medieval warrior, মধ্যযুগের সৈনিক. They fought for the common people. So Sir Ulfius, the brave knight, and Merlin, the prophet and magician, were the wise counselors of Pendragon. They were greatly trusted by the royal family. Trust means to have faith in, বিশ্বাস করা. The family members of the king believed in them. When the king and the queen were no more, that means when they died, the two counselors met Sir Ector the trustworthy. Merlin and Ulfius met Sir Ector. Sir Ector has an epithet. তার নামের সঙ্গে রয়েছে the trustworthy. The trustworthy means one who is trusted, যাকে বিশ্বাস করা যায়. That means Sir Ector could be trusted. That's why his name was Sir Ector the trustworthy. A loyal subject of the king. Loyal means faithful. Subject, people who are ruled by the king. Banglaয় প্রজা. Sir Ector was a faithful subject of King Arthur Pendragon. The two counselors met Sir Ector on a cold and windy midnight. They did not meet him in the morning. They met him at midnight, and it was a stormy night. A strong wind was blowing. They placed in his hands a baby wrapped in a scarlet cloak. Merlin and Ulfius gave Sir Ector a baby. This baby was wrapped means covered, in a cloak. Cloak means a loose dress. Al-Khalla. Scarlet means bright red. This scarlet was bright red in color, and the baby was covered with it. Merlin said, "We order you and your wife to bring up this child as though he were your own son." Merlin ordered Sir Ector to bring up the child. Bring up is a group verb. It means to rear, পালন করা. They ordered Sir Ulfius to rear the child as their own son. নিজের সন্তানের মতো যেন পালন করে. Actually, this child was the son of the King Arthur Pendragon and Lady Igraine. The boy is to be called Arthur, Sir Ulfius said. Sir Ulfius gave the child a name. What was the name of the child, or what was the name given to the child by Sir Ulfius? The name was Arthur. Sir Ector, being a true knight, asked no questions and promised to obey his late king's counselors. Sir Ector was a very loyal subject of the king. তিনি ছিলেন রাজার অনুগত প্রজা. So when Ulfius and Merlin requested him to bring up the child, he did not question them, and he promised to obey the counselors of the late king. Late king means the king who has died. As Merlin and Sir Ulfius had feared, trouble broke out in Britain. Break out is another group verb. Break out means to start suddenly. Suddenly, trouble started in Britain after the passing away of the king. Pass away, another group verb. It means to die. After the death of King Arthur Pendragon, there was great problem in England. The barons were fighting among themselves. Who were the barons? The barons were the noblemen under the king. রাজার অধীনে অভিজাত পুরুষদের বলা হতো ব্যারন. They were fighting among themselves because the king was not there. They were plotting to capture the throne. To plot means to conspire, ষড়যন্ত্র করা. They were conspiring to occupy the throne. The barons wanted to become kings. All of them were fighting with one another to become king. Britain was in the grip of lawlessness. Lawlessness means absence of law and order. আইন শৃঙ্খলাহীনতা. Britain had no law and order. Britain ব্রিটেনে তখন আইন শৃঙ্খলা বলে কিছু নেই, বিকজ দ্য কিং ওয়াজ নট দেয়ার। ট্রাভেলার্স ওয়ার রেগুলারলি রবড। টু রব মিনস টু টেক অ্যাওয়ে ফোর্সিবলি, জোর করে নিয়ে নেওয়া, রব। ওয়ান হু ডাজ ইট ইজ কল্ড এ রবার, ডাকাত। So robbers or dacoits robbed the people. The peasants were unhappy. The word peasants means farmers. The farmers were also very sad. So this was the condition of England after the death of the king Arthur Pendragon. There was total anarchy. Churanto noirajyo, there was total lawlessness. We have finished unit 1, so you should do the homework. Page number 61, activity 1, page 62, activity 2. Our lesson comes to an end today. Thank you.